Diverse nature is a treasure trove where numerous species of animals, plants and fungi thrive. The rustic bunting, wood grouse and the common snipe each need their own special habitat. The Give Back to Local Nature campaign of Visit Salla and the Finnish National Heritage Foundation raises funds for the restoration and conservation of a diverse forest area located in southern Salla. The campaign aims to purchase and conserve 33 hectares of land from the upstream section of the Oulangajoki River. The area is exceptionally rich in its natural habitats. It includes peatland meadows, flooded forests, spruce mires and drained pine mires that can be restored to their natural state.
Me ollaan ennallistamassa tämmöistä vanhaa metsätaloutta varten kaivettua ojaa, joka on johtanut suoraan jokeen. Sinne on mennyt se kuravesi suoraan ja sitten tämä elinympäristö, tämä korpi on tässä kuivannut. Nyt se sitten estetään tällä padolla, että se ei enää sinne suoraan pääse ja sen tavallaan sen luonnontila nyt sitten pikkuhiljaa palautuu, kun sinne tulee vettä uudestaan.
The sum you wish to donate to the Give Back to Local Nature site is up to you, and you can choose which nature types you want to support. In particular, the peatland and the growing 90-year-old mixed forest, as well as their wildlife inhabitants, the brambling and the common snipe, need assistance. The funds cover both acquisition costs and restoration. Taking part in Salla's Give Back to Local Nature campaign is a hands-on way of improving the environment. We want the forest animals and plants to continue to flourish here. Together, we can preserve a piece of local nature. Leave your green mark on Salla.